Hey, did you know that every single day, more than 3 billion KitKat bars are sold worldwide? Yep, you heard that right, 3 billion. That's 3 times the total population of the United States and Europe combined. Just imagine the sheer number of people snapping into a KitKat at the same time. It's mind-blowing. Whether it's a quick snack, a pick-me-up at work, or a sweet treat to share with friends, KitKat has become a global sensation, bringing joy to millions, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Welcome, KitKat lovers! We've got a real treat for you today. Literally, if you're anything like the millions of fans around the world who can't resist the crispy, chocolatey goodness of a KitKat bar, then get ready. Ever wondered how these irresistible bars are made? Well, wonder no more, because today we're taking you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour inside one of the biggest KitKat factories in the world. From hand-picked ingredients to futuristic machinery, you'll get the full scoop on how every KitKat is crafted with the utmost precision and care. So grab your favorite snack, kick back, and let's dive into the amazing world of KitKat production. But before we get into the nuts and bolts, or should I say chocolate and wafers, of the process, let me hit you with a little history. It all started in 1935 in York, England, when Rowntree's chocolate crisp hit the shelves. Fast forward to 1988, and Nestlé snapped up the company, rebranding that humble treat into the iconic KitKat we know today. Since then, KitKat bars have become a beloved snack in over 70 countries.
1, 2, 3, 4, give me a break, give me a break, break me off a piece.
Now, let's talk about what makes KitKat so special, the ingredients. Ever taken a bite of that smooth, chocolatey coating and wondered, what makes this taste so good? Well, it's real chocolate, and it comes from only the finest cocoa beans, hand-picked in the sun-soaked, wind-swept lands of West Africa. Nestlé is all about quality and sustainability, so they work closely with local farmers to ensure not only the best cocoa, but also a positive impact on the communities where it's grown. Once those top-tier cocoa beans arrive at the factory, the magic really begins. First, they're roasted to perfection and ground into a rich, velvety chocolate paste. Next, this paste is mixed with fresh milk and sugar to give it that creamy texture we all know and love. And don't think it's just thrown together. Every batch is rigorously tested by experts to make sure it's absolutely perfect. After all, even the tiniest tweak can totally change the flavor and texture of the final product. Now here's where things get really cool, literally. The mixing and molding stage is where KitKat takes shape, and it's no small feat. Picture this: giant mixers, conveyor belts, and cutting-edge machines, all working in perfect harmony to create that flawless balance of crispy wafer and smooth chocolate. First, a layer of chocolate is spread out into long trays. Then, those famous crunchy wafers are stacked on top. It's like a chocolate lover's dream assembly line. And here's a fun fact: the KitKat Snap wasn't an accident. It was purposely designed back in the 1930s and has been part of the KitKat charm ever since. After the chocolate and wafer layers are set, the bars are sliced into perfect pieces. But hold on, we're not done yet. They still need to cool, and that's where the real high-tech magic happens. The freshly cut KitKats travel down conveyor belts through temperature-controlled chambers, cooling at just the right speed to ensure that the chocolate sets without being too soft or too hard. It's a delicate dance, and trust me, they've got it down to a science. Once the bars are perfectly cooled, it's time to get them wrapped up and ready for the world. But Nestlé doesn't stop at making the best chocolate bars. They're also committed to protecting the planet. That's why every KitKat comes wrapped in eco-friendly packaging made from recyclable materials. So the next time you tear into a KitKat, you can feel good knowing you're making a choice that's kinder to the environment. Finally, it's off to the packaging area, where robotic arms zip around with mind-blowing precision, packing the bars into boxes at lightning speed. And let's not forget, this factory churns out over 3 million KitKat bars every single day. After everything is packed and sealed, the bars are shipped out to stores across the globe, ready to bring a little joy to KitKat fans everywhere. Speaking of joy, whether you're breaking off a piece to share, or let's be honest, keeping it all to yourself, every KitKat bar offers that perfect moment of chocolate bliss. Fun fact, Nestlé's factory is powered by solar energy, with over 28,000 solar panels generating enough electricity to cut CO2 emissions by millions of pounds each year. Talk about sweet sustainability. Before these bars hit the shelves, they go through one final quality check. That's right, trained experts inspect every KitKat to make sure it meets the highest standards. So no matter where you are in the world, you can count on your KitKat being just as delicious as the last one you enjoyed. So next time you unwrap a KitKat, remember all the passion, precision, and care that went into making that little bar of happiness. From the farmers in West Africa to the high-tech machines in the factory, every step is a blend of science, craftsmanship, and of course, a little bit of chocolate magic. If you're craving more behind-the-scenes action, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us at Make It 247 for even more incredible factory tours and deep dives into how your favorite treats are made. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your favorite KitKat memories in the comments below.